Hello, good morning. In this video, I will show you how to build a custom world map in Power BI, perfect for global visualization and regional comparison. We also customize the map using business groupings such as LATAM, UCA, APAC, and EMEA. Let's go. First of all, we need to go to the website that provides GeoJSON files, where we can download the full world map or specific region. In this case, we download the full world map because we will modify it according to our needs to GeoJSON file, contain the geographic boundaries and coordinate for each country. After downloading the file, we open it in Visual Studio Code or TXT, whatever you have. We locate the property that defines region or continent. We modify it according to our grouping structure. In our example, we group countries into LATAM, APAC, whatever you want. It's critical that the names we define it in the file match exactly the name used in Power BI. Save the file once editing is complete. Now, Power BI works much better with TopoJSON formats when using custom map. So we go to mapshaper.com where upload the GeoJSON file. We export it as a TopoJSON, and TopoJSON optimize geometry and ensure compatibility with Power BI Map Shaper Vision. Now, if the shape vision is not enabled, you need to go to File, Options and Settings, Options, and Preview Features. In here, you have to enable the shape map visual. Restart Power BI if it's required. Now we have to insert the shape map visual, go to the map setting, we select custom map, we upload the TopoJSON file, then drag your region file into the visual. If the naming matches correctly, the map will segment based on your custom region. Now you can adjust the color, apply measure, comparison, add a slicer, improve formatting, whatever you want, and your fully customizable world map is ready. This method allows you to create map fully adapted to your business logic. I hope this video found you helpful. Please don't forget, like, subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye.